One of the things that I share with people often related to titles, whenever you're looking at your next position and you're tailoring your current resume around that next position, make sure that you're using titles that they would easily understand. So what we're trying to do through your resume is seal all the gaps, and we want to paint the story that we want others to recognize about you, that you are a leader with a lot of experience in very specific areas. So one of the things that I feel is the difference between a headline and the difference between the highlights of qualifications. And so as you focus on the headline, it's what I've already done. It's like what I have proven experience in doing. And then on top of that, your highlights of qualifications is what I have the ability to do. Indeed and LinkedIn are two heavily used sources by recruiters. Whenever people ask me where should they go to actually apply to positions, the first thing that I say is you always go where the recruiters are. Well, how do I know where the recruiters are? It's where companies are spending the most money. Companies are spending a lot of money on LinkedIn, hundreds of thousands of dollars per company to get their recruiters seats to do searches behind the scenes on LinkedIn. Indeed is free for employers to post jobs on it. What recruiters love about Indeed is that Indeed has this tool that allows it to find resumes. And as a recruiter, you can do a search behind the scenes in Indeed. You can find all these resumes, and then you can send emails directly to candidates.
What you want reflected in your LinkedIn profile is whatever shows you as ready now for the next type of opportunity that you want. After your resume is exactly where you want it to be based on where you're trying to go, then I would just copy and paste your work experience done right here. I would just copy and paste it in right there.
Because people who are creating these resumes, they know specifically what recruiters are looking for. However, there are still a lot of tools and resources out there that can help you to develop it yourself. But if you don't want that headache, I am all about outsourcing things where I don't want that headache for myself.
Recruiters are trying to use the ATS to figure out who can I eliminate. So by the time I come in and I review the resumes that I have to review, because most recruiters, most organizations that have an ATS, they still have a recruiter that's behind the scenes. The recruiter is trying to limit the amount of resumes that they have to review. So what we like to do, if they are actually using the applicant tracking system to disqualify you, it's likely that they have questions in the application that they're asking you. Do you or do you not meet these qualifications?